Hey guys, Danielle here from Mostly Clean Eats. Today I have a how to make your own vanilla extract in the Instant Pot in just 30 minutes. Vanilla has gotten really expensive if you buy it from the store, so this is a great affordable way to make a lot in big batches. It's great this time of year because you can use it for all of your holiday baking and cookies and all those recipes. If you like this video on this channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking below, and you can drop me a like or a comment. Every Monday and Friday I drop new healthy recipes, and on Wednesday I do meal prep videos. Everything in this video, including the full recipe and where to get your vanilla, will also be linked below. I hope you guys enjoy.
The first step is to cut the beans lengthwise. You don't want to cut the bottom layer, so you're just cutting that top layer and opening them up in half. You can also cut them in half long ways so that they fit in the mason jars so the beans aren't too tall. The second step is to add the vodka. With this, cheap vodka works really great, so you can go super cheap. And if you have a pint mason jar, which is 2 cups of vodka, you're going to want to add 2 to 3 beans. That's the correct ratio for that. You want to fill it all the way up to the top of that pint jar and maybe just leave a little bit of room at the top. Once you have the vodka in, you're going to seal your mason jar. You want to make sure that your lid is nice and tight. I recommend using new lids for this, the same you would with canning, just to make sure it has that really good seal. You're going to place the mason jars on top of the trivet and add about a cup of water. You need to make sure that it touches the bottom. Once the Instant Pot is sealed, we're going to cook manual pressure on high for 35 minutes. I suggest let it naturally release after for about 10 minutes and then do the quick release just so we really get that nice depth of.
After it comes out of the Instant Pot and cools down, you'll see this nice dark brown vanilla coloring. So you can use this right away, but the longer you leave it, the deeper the flavor becomes. You want to store it in a cool, dark place, so the back of your pantry is best. If you make it now, you can use it within 30 minutes, but like I said, it'll be really good and have that strong flavor in 2 to 3 weeks. Every so often, you just want to give it a little shake, and you can also put these in little jars there and give them out for a holiday present. Because vanilla is so expensive, people will really appreciate that. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a like or comment below. I have recipes linked that you can use this vanilla for. I have the vanilla beans, all that fun stuff. Enjoy!